Hello everyone, how's it going? I am good and you? I'm Amin and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. I have a big announcement here. Ta-da! I will create a new playlist. Learn Arabic with Arabic movies and drama. Yes. How? Okay, I will make many playlists. Learn Arabic with movies and drama. First one, standard Arabic from movies and drama. Second one, Egyptian dialect from movies and drama. Third one, Shami dialect from movies and drama. Fourth one, Jordanian Palestinian dialect, movies and drama. Fifth one, Gulf dialects from movies and drama. And that's it. So we will learn Arabic through movies and drama. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. I will be with you forever. Inshallah. I will upload a video every day, and every Saturday will be live stream chatting with all my subscribers around the world. And inshallah, Learn Arabic with Amin will be the channel number 1 on YouTube in the world. Okay? Yalla, subscribe. See you. Salam. I am very excited.